Okay, reinstalled the dishwasher.
Yeah.
Um,
And then they kept the doors there and there.
Okay.
But we need to obviously build the rest of it back.
oh, okay.
They took out the wall back there.
I see. So put the wall back, put the floor off the
Yeah, base
cabinet
of the
back.
cabinet, yeah.
Okay. We're gonna have to put some insulation in the back because that's an exterior wall.
Yeah.
Unless if you care for it.
Okay, yeah, that makes sense.
Okay. And then okay. And so that's it for as far as me goes. This is all you need.
Yeah, for the kitchen.
Okay.
I
Do
mean, we've
you
got.
want white melamine like what's in today, or do you want pine?
You mean for back there?
For back, for the bottom, for everything.
I guess I want it to match.
Okay.
That's